pretty cool. They're in pretty good shape. Tires are brand new. They're pretty stretched. Fuck California, bro. Dude, the stretch on these tires is fucking insane. I'm washing real quick. So while these dry, Lexus also needs a wash because it's been hella smoky. Shout out Chris. Now we're gonna be matching with the Enkeis. Anyways though, it's been hella smoky and so I need to wash. Shit. But after this I'll have my Enkeis on, so it's the last wash in the machine. Got these shits in here. Bad dip. Gonna install them. What? Alright guys, we're gonna install. Shit's hot.
She gave me head on the train.
Trying to get the thumbnail. That looks sick.
Can you see me in the background?
Yeah. I think that's it right there. I think we got it. Out with the old. Moment of truth right here. It's so fucking light.
It's kind of cool actually. Oh, this is good.
Do they?
So far. You have identical build as some full and that's it.
Yeah, I feel like how people do this.
Yeah, these wheels are so light actually. Like
They are.
wow.
Live from the fucking gutter right here. Sick ass slag. They look hella small. Yeah, it looks sick though.
Dude, you're gonna look like my car.
Fuck my life.
I didn't mean to.
Say dad? Yeah. Resell?
Huh?
Record.
Yeah, but I don't want to jack up the wheel again. It's stuck. That looks good right there. That's perfect, dude. You don't want it no more lower than that. Like, it's not sticking out as bad as you think. It looks like that because of it. Plus, your other ones were sitting so flush. No, they were sitting sunken in. Alright, so I copped the 1994 Integra as a little project build. When I purchased it, it had some damage right here. This driver's side wheel was pushed back into this fender. You can see right there, it used to rub, and that tire is all effed up too.
Yeah.
But anyway, I took apart the wheel, replaced the lower control arm and axle. They were bent. I replaced the front brakes as well.
You're raw.
And now we're gonna give it a little test drive. But yeah, it's a little project car. It has hella carbon fiber on it, fake, but I'm trying to remove it and I don't know how.
You're raw.
Here we go, we're gonna see if it runs and drives.
Let's go.
Watch it blow up. Hey, grab our drinks.
Oh yeah. Shout out who? Here. This is fucking low, bro. I got all the tires in the back. Hold up. Go fat. I look scraped right now. Pretty sure it's right here. Wheels are good. Pretty fucking clean. These shits poke out hella. Oh fuck. Pretty fucking clean. These wheels are gonna be getting so fucking dirty. That fitment, bro. Alright guys, so here's the IS300 with the Enkeis in. Good. Crazy how far it's come. So basically I got this for like 4 bands, and all I did was just lower it on some coils, put a lip, just small cosmetics. I put that grill on, then I put the wheels, I painted the calipers. Yeah, just small cosmetics. Pretty much saved it. Shit was in bad shape when I bought it. Yeah, we just be doing stuff, so let me know what you guys want to see. I think I'm gonna do a driving review next on it, on the coils, on the Enkeis. Yeah.